Here's how to convert HEIC to JPEG on Mac. So I use this new app called ConvertSave that I actually made with my brother. It's a file converter for images, video, audio, and it works by dragging and dropping your images. So you can select as many as you want, drag and drop into ConvertSave, and then all you have to do is click on the output you want. So you could output it to a ton of different formats, including JPEG, and then hit convert. It converts those and saves them right back where they came from. And so there's a link for that in the description. You can also just go to convertsave.com. It works offline, so you don't have to upload files to any weird sketchy websites, and it works both on Mac and for Windows. But in this case, if you're on this tutorial, you're probably looking for a solution for Mac. It also converts video to audio, video to video, audio files, and images to PDF as well. So if you want to go HEIC to PDF, you can do that with this too, and even create multi-page PDFs if you drag in multiple images. But mainly, that's how you can convert HEIC to JPEG on Mac. Hopefully you guys find this useful. Go check it out, convertsave.com, or link in the description. Thanks for your support, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.